Hey there, Rat Pack fans! Today, I've got a real treat for you. We're diving into Sammy Davis Jr.'s secret spaghetti and meatballs recipe. This is the same dish Sammy used to whip up for his buddies Frank Sinatra, Dean Martin, and the rest of the pack. So grab your aprons and let's cook like the stars of the 60s. First up, the sauce. You're gonna need 3 large yellow onions, coarsely grated, and 1 large green pepper, also coarsely grated. Heat up 1/4 cup of olive oil in a Dutch oven over medium heat. Squeeze the juice out of those onions with a clean towel and toss the pulp into the pot with the green pepper. Sauté for about 10 minutes, stirring often. Now add 1 15-ounce can of tomato sauce, 2 6-ounce cans of tomato paste, and 1/3 cup of water. Toss in a whole garlic clove, a bay leaf, 1/2 teaspoon dried basil, 1/2 teaspoon oregano, 1 teaspoon sugar, 3/4 teaspoon salt, and 1/2 teaspoon freshly ground black pepper. Stir everything together, then turn the heat to low, cover, and let it simmer for 45 minutes. Don't forget to stir every few minutes to keep it from burning. Just before serving, remove that garlic clove and bay leaf. While the sauce is simmering, let's get those meatballs ready. In a large bowl, combine 1 large coarsely grated yellow onion, 1½ pounds of lean ground beef, 2 beaten eggs, 1/4 teaspoon garlic salt, 1 teaspoon salt, and 1/4 teaspoon freshly ground black pepper. Mix it all up and form it into 1 to 2-inch balls. Heat some olive oil in a large skillet over medium heat. Add the meatballs and brown them on every side. This should take about 3 to 5 minutes. Once they're no longer pink inside, transfer them to a paper towel to drain. Now, nestle those meatballs right into the tomato sauce. Give it a good stir to coat each meatball evenly. Time to serve. Cook up a box of spaghetti according to the package instructions. Spoon that rich, flavorful sauce and meatballs over your pasta, and top with freshly grated Parmesan cheese. And there you have it, Sammy Davis Jr.'s secret spaghetti and meatballs recipe, straight from the golden age of Hollywood. Trust me, your friends and family will be singing your praises. Love the recipe? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your fellow Rat Pack fans. Check the description for the full recipe and backstory. Thanks for watching. See y'all next time.